In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to use Odoo CRM for managing sales and leads, even if you're a complete beginner. Odoo CRM is a powerful tool that helps you track leads, organize sales teams, and improve your sales pipeline visibility. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click and how to configure Odoo CRM so it works for your sales process. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to your Odoo dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen. This is where all your installed apps live, including CRM, sales, accounting, and more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, because you'll be moving between a few sections during the setup. Next, from the home area, go into the CRM application. Once you're inside CRM, look toward the top menu and click on Configuration. This section controls how your CRM behaves, including pipelines, probabilities, and sales teams. Under Configuration, click on Settings. The Settings page allows you to customize how leads and opportunities are handled in your CRM. Scroll through the options and make sure your CRM features are enabled according to your business needs. Now, still within the configuration area, click on Update Probabilities. This feature lets Odoo automatically calculate the probability of winning a deal based on your pipeline stages. When the Update Probability screen opens, click on Update. Odoo will now recalculate probabilities across your sales stages, helping you get more accurate sales forecasts. After updating probabilities, go back again to Configuration. This time, click on Sales Teams. Sales teams allow you to organize your salespeople, assign leads, and track performance by team. Inside Sales Teams, click on Sales. Here you'll see your existing sales team or the default one created by Odoo. Open the team to manage its members and settings. Now click on Add Salespersons. From here, you can assign users to this sales team. Adding the right salespeople ensures that leads and opportunities are routed correctly and tracked under the right team. Once that's done, click on CRM again to return to the main CRM area. This helps confirm that your changes are applied and that your sales team is properly connected to the CRM pipeline. Finally, navigate to your home area and click on Edit. This allows you to customize your dashboard and shortcuts, so CRM and sales tools are easily accessible. You can pin CRM views, sales pipelines, or reports that you check frequently. And that's it. You've now successfully configured Odoo CRM to manage sales teams, update probabilities, and organize leads more effectively. This setup helps you gain better visibility into your sales process and keeps your team aligned. If this tutorial helped you understand how to use Odoo CRM for sales and leads, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and business software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.